this is Shriza from Sitefy. If you are looking for the top 10 app development companies in Bangalore, the real challenge is not just finding the correct names. The real challenge comes when you have to get into a company that actually suits with your project. Hi. So, as we have seen in Sitefy that our clients have already built an app and come to us, but then their app were very inconsistent, incomplete, were not functioning properly, were very slow. There were at times that the admin panel also was not working properly, and then the notifications and all of the payment methods, everything was not fixed at all. Sometimes the developers stopped responding after the delivery was done, and in many cases, as we see, the client had to spend a lot of money again in order to fix and rebuild the same app. Do not just decide your app development company based on the costing or just the price. Because if you settle for low cost or low price things, they might end up being more expensive. Because here there will be a lot of back-end issues, like it might be very, very weak. The designs might not be proper and it might not be future ready. The first thing to check is planning. A good company will help you find the gaps and understand the entire business flow before it jumps into a particular conclusion. Who will do the work? What will the users do? How will the admins manage? Small details like payments, payouts, notification, reports, everything. How and where will all of these be managed? These are the small important pieces of information that has to be taken into consideration in the beginning so that there is no hassle towards the end. The second step is to check the admin panel, because the major focus remains onto the customer app, but after that the team has to manage everything, entirety of it. That includes orders, bookings, payments, notification, reports, vendors, everything. That is quite of a task. If a particular company offers you with a weak admin panel, all of this management goes into vain, and that creates an issue for the business. The third one and the most important one is maintenance. The app development does not stop the moment the app is launched, because there are various kind of loopholes at times, or there are various kind of things that has to be taken care of once the app is already being launched. Why is maintenance one of the major and the most important component? It is majorly because we tend to find out there are the real users or customers that tend to find out various kinds of loopholes. That is when the app is launched already. The loopholes includes finding out about bugs, then app store updates that are majorly needed after one has used the app. And the last one, which is the most important one, is scope of small improvement at times. And here is where Sitefy comes in the picture by providing you 1 year of free maintenance. I mean, who does it? But you might be asking why? Because we keep the scope and project flow both clear to our customers from the beginning. So there's no chance of any confusion. Now, if you want to look into and consider other companies, we are absolutely okay with that. Ownership is very important because you have to know who owns what. So, who owns documentation? Who owns the source code, the design files, the hosting databases, the Play Store account, as well as the App Store account at times. Now, as your business is very qualified, you should know who has the access and who owns it. Finally, don't try to build everything in version 1. Take each and every step slowly in order to reach the goal. First, build all of your important features. Then comes launching a very stable version of it. After you're done launching it, then you can take the user feedback in order to know or understand the loopholes, and it's kind of like a survey to be better. And once each and every step is gone through step by step, you can reach your goal. Choose based on planning, clarity, communication, admin, and all of it. Take into consideration everything and evaluate everything so that you get a round figure and now you can analyze it properly.